What's going on YouTube? It's your guy TopDownKickz back with another restoration video for you guys. And for today's video, I got the Hyper Cobalt. This is the first restoration I did on these type of Nikes. I'm usually doing retro Jordans, but man, let's go ahead and jump straight into this video so I can show you guys the first steps, which will be icing the soles. So let's get it. Zing! We're gonna leave these bad boys icing for about 4 hours for 2 sessions, and that should take care of the job. Even though the icing didn't clear up the bottoms, we can still go back and do a washing method through throwing these bad boys in a washer on delicate cold water with the detergent, a little splash of bleach, and that should lift up any remaining dirt. So let's go. Let's get it. I use Arm & Hammer Oxy Cleaner for the detergent. You want to take a cap full, pour that in the cold water first, take that cap full of bleach, pour a little bit, make sure it fills up and mix in before you put the shoes in, right? Before you do that, you want to take that Oxy Clean stain remover, spray on the thread of the shoe, on the midsole, and you want to take a brush, scrub in between, and then voila, here's the results. And like I said at the beginning of the video about the mess up bottoms that the icing couldn't get out, we're gonna use this acetone to clean up that mess, get around that midsole, around the thread. Also, we wanna make them look brighter, cleaner, and nicer. Jeez. If you made it this far, make sure you hit that like, and if you have subscribe, and go follow my TikTok and my IG at TopDownKickz. IG is TopDownKickz859. Check it out. Whee!